Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you are planning to purchase iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. So this video is very important for you. I personally purchased iPhone 17 Pro Max. I already ordered as a pre-order. How to do in pre-order? I already make a separate video. You just watch this video. Video link is available on same video description. In this video, we will see comparison of 8 key differences of iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. Let's start one by one. First of all, we can see the comparison of height, width and weight. So iPhone 17 Pro height 5.91 inches, it means 150 mm. The same height is iPhone 17 Pro Max is 6.43 inches, it means 163.4 mm. Width of iPhone 17 Pro is 2.83 inches, 71.9 mm. 17 Pro Max is a 3.07 inches. As a weight perspective, 17 Pro is 7.27 ounces, 206 grams. 17 Pro Max is 8.22 ounces, 233 grams. Comparison between like display 17 Pro and Pro Max. 17 Pro display is a 6.3 inches display and 17 Pro Max is a 6.9 inches display, same as it is iPhone 16 Pro Max. As a battery life, as a battery perspective, 17 Pro battery is 4253 ampere battery and 17 Pro Max battery is a 5088 ampere battery. It's greater than 800 plus. So up to 33 hours battery life of 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max is up to 39 hours battery life if you continuously watching something or listening music. As a storage perspective, iPhone 17 Pro is available 256, 512 GB and 1 terabyte storage. 17 Pro Max available 1 terabyte and 2 terabyte storage as well. It's compulsory. Both phones are introducing 256 gigabyte as a starting range. And last but not least, as a price perspective, if you want purchase iPhone 17 Pro 256 as a base model, so price is a $1,099, and iPhone 16 Pro Max base model 256 GB, so price is $1,199, greater than $100 only. This price variant and differentiation of each and every continent's country, the price perspective. This price is a standard of dollar perspective. So these are the 8 key differentiation of iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Which one you purchase? You can put it on comment section. You are purchasing this and that model. I personally purchased iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is the simple key comparison of Pro and Pro Max. If you have any question, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.